Hey guys, hope you're all doing good. It is Friday here at my job and we are doing a little bit of extra cleaning today because that's what we do at the end of the week. We clean everything a little more than we do the whole rest of the week. So today we're going to, or I'm going to talk about griddle cleaning, and I just wanted to point out this product that I really like, and it is from Ecolab, and you can buy this at Sam's. It's the Members Market one, but it's through Ecolab, and it's oven, grill, and fryer cleaner. And I just want to show you how awesome it is, how quick it is, and how well it works. You can use it commercially. This is what I clean all of my commercial oven, stove, griddle, all of that thing with here at work, and even at home in my own personal oven. I use it there as well. So let me show you. Alright, so this is the week's wear on the grill. We've had 40 plus or so pounds of meat cooked on this. And we're just going to spray a nice layer of this. Now, one thing you have to make sure is that your griddle or whatever you're cleaning ovens is cool, because if it's still hot, and because mine is a gas grill, or gas griddle I should say, it is always a little warm, but if it's too hot, it will burn the chemicals off faster than they can set, because these have to set for 5 minutes. So I'm going to finish spraying this on. You can already see where it's kind of taking off some of the grease buildup. And I'm going to finish spraying this on, let it sit for 5 minutes, and I'll be back. Alright, so it's been 5 minutes. Now you're supposed to agitate it with a sponge or whatnot. I like these Scotch-Brite roller pads, and also I'm wearing a glove. The chemicals are a little abrasive on your skin, so you definitely want to wear a glove if at all possible. So just agitate, and you can see already the amount of grime that's just kind of coming off. This stuff, I'm telling you, is amazing. And then the last step, that's really amazing. Alright, and then the last thing is just get some clean water and pour it on. And then you'll of course want to, you have to wipe off the clean water, and it's going to drain into your grease trap, whatever. And then just dry it all up and you'll be good. I'll show you the final product in just a few seconds. And here it is, completely clean. It looks pretty much brand new. It's fast, it's easy. It works the same on the ovens as well. So a highly recommended product if you're in the market to easily clean your ovens, grills at home or at work. So yeah, have a great day.